Here we are with our cluster and zone design, sort of a Napa Valley look. It's got snapdragons, kale, leucadendron, yarrow, sunflowers, dusty miller, and hypericum berries, all in this loose goose garden design. Very popular today. Then we have our mixed English mess. These are all done at the American School of Flower Design in one day. We do 4 to 5 projects a day. This is her tropical design. Turned out spectacular. I'm going to back up and show you all of these from a distance. These are all things you will learn how to design. This is her 4th day of designing, and she's incredibly talented. The basis of this one are, I'll give you a couple tips. For those of you trying to learn from home, never cluster your flowers together. They're tropicals, they're expensive. Keep them separated. Think of a jungle. See, all the orchids are together over here. All the pincushion proteas are over here. And then you have a nice focal point in that protea. This design, she laid a groundwork of greens. You can see I'm kind of poking out. So you know where you're going, and then you go lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. They're in my books. The explanation is in my books. Next, we have our topiary. She stripped her lilies of leaves and then knotted it with some cording and wrapped it down. She saved 2 lilies for the base to bring unity to her design with a little base of pit. So easy. That was done in 5 minutes. When these open up, gravity will pull them down. There'll be a huge ball. That's a simple one, you guys. It's in my blue book as well as my green book, Flower Power. Get the books, Flower Power, Design Star, and Paris. And then her first project today was this Napa Valley piece. Sunflowers, dusty miller, hypericum berries, leucadendron, in an original base of lemon leaf, yarrow, kale. Don't you love that kale? And that is grevillea. That is gunny they call it. I call it Italian eucalyptus. Snapdragons, grevillea, yarrow, kale. These are called leucadendrons, hypericum berries. I think it's a really pretty design for like a weekend out at the winery for your tables. Or in a country setting, or a rustic setting. You know how these brides have these pile of weeds sitting on their table? This is your alternative to design something really beautiful with all the weeds, but controlling the merchandise so it doesn't look like a hot mess on your table. It's in an oblong box, so it's an oblong design. Topiary is in a slightly deeper container because you're going to be driving those down. This one is in a very traditional glass cube, and that one's in a big enough pot to hold all these large tropicals. Flowerschool101.com, American School of Flower Design. We have classes all over the country as well as Paris, London, and Rome. I'm the author of 3 books called Design Star, Flower Power, and Paris. They're available also at flowerschool101.com. We also have online classes you can take at home. I'll send you a box of flowers, and you will create these at your home. There's all kinds of things. I even have QVC products on my website. Flowerschool101.com. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Be a designer. It's a great way to make a living. I love my job. Keep blooming.